Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Apple ID password error. If you're using any iPhone and you are trying to create an Apple ID and you are having an issue to create your Apple ID password, so let's see how can you easily create the strongest Apple ID password. So first of all, you have to keep in mind that what would require Apple to create a password. So your password must be at least 8 characters. So you have to create a password which includes at least minimum 8 characters, and it includes at least or minimum one uppercase letter, or it also includes one lowercase letter. And there's another that it includes at least one number, so you have to try to add one number into your password. And here you have to doesn't include your name, email, or your phone number into your Apple ID password, or this is easy for you to remember but hard for others to guess. So let's see how can you easily create a such type password. So you just have to open the section where you have to enter your password, and here now let's see what you have to enter. First of all, you have to enter a symbol, or you can easily try to enter a uppercase letter. So let's see how can you easily enter. You have to create a password which you can easily remember. So in my case, I'm going to create a password. So simply enter the first letter, and then you have to enter the second one. Then you have to try to include any symbol from here. In my case, I'm going to enter the symbol of this, or you can easily try to enter the and or at the rate. Once you have entered the symbol, you have to enter the second, or the here you can see we have 1, 2, and 3 characters. So now enter our fourth character. You have to enter the character which you want, and once you have entered, enter your fifth character. Then you have to try to enter a number from here, or you can add number in the last. So you have to try to enter any symbol again. So once you have entered the symbol, you have to enter the next letter. Here you can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 letters. Once you have 7 letters, you can easily make a password more than 8 characters, but there must be at least or minimum 8 characters. So you have to make sure, and here you have to enter the last, and we have 8 characters here, but I'm going to include a number. So you can easily enter the number which you can easily remember as I have entered. So it might be a strongest password. So that's how you can easily choose a strongest password for your Apple ID. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.